The spring shop just launched. This update is honestly one of my favorites I've ever done. Let me show you what's new and how it all came together. This collection is extra special because it was inspired by my recent trip to Korea, where I had my personal color analysis done. And surprisingly, the experience gave me a new perspective on how I approach color in my art. So first off, not only did I hand make some familiar clay desk buddies for spring, but I also created a brand new collection called Swappable Friends. In this studio, outfit decisions are a very serious business. The choices: sprout, book, mushroom, or honey pot. Bunny started the day feeling like a mushroom. Bear immediately claimed the honey pot, no surprise there. But then Bunny spotted the book and changed their mind. Bear, still very committed to snacks. Speaking of outfit decisions, when I visited Korea, I did the super popular personal color analysis trend. I went to the color place in Seoul, which is the same place where famous K-pop idols such as ITZY's Yoona and Ryujin, Blackpink's Jisoo, and SHINee's Key also got their personal color analysis done. It's not about what's right or wrong, but they're looking for which palettes balance your features the best. You can already see the difference between these light pastels and these stronger, more saturated colors.
여름에 파란색을 하시면 전반적으로 눈, 코, 입이 다 보이시고 밸런스가 맞아서 안정감 있게끔 보이세요. 근데 겨울에 컬러를 하시죠? 싸우러 나가야 되겠죠. 눈에만 레이저가 나올 만큼 눈동자 색깔 외에는 나머지는 보이진 않아요. 그리고 너무 쉐이드가 깊게 잡히니까 음영감이 너무 드물어져요.
Basically, it's not just warm or cool tones, but the colors are also seasonal, and there's light and muted and dark and so on. The color analyst showed me that I'm a cool summer because these light pastel colors are gentler and allow my facial features to shine. While in Korea, I also got the super quick and cute caricature done. I designed my spring collection using what I learned about color harmony and seasonal tones. Of course, the beautiful thing about art is that you don't have to restrict yourself to any one palette or style, so I still used my artistic judgment depending on the piece. I became more mindful of using color palettes in my pieces to convey certain moods, which I always have in my head, but I actually stuck to them this time. Here are some examples in art prints, greeting cards, and bookmarks that are in my shop now. More new things in my shop include this washi tape of cats doing cat things, and this magical forest washi tape. They were really popular in the shop update, so I'm hoping to make more washies in the future. Also new in my shop, for the first time ever, there was a super exclusive, limited edition Golden Bunny and Golden Mushroom. Only one of each were up for grabs and they got snatched up right away. Thank you for being part of this space, for supporting my shop, and for being inspired in your own journey and sharing that with me. Whether you're an artist or not, just being part of a creative community is already so encouraging and so valuable. Let me know what you're up to lately, what your favorite piece in my shop update is, and I can't wait to see what you create. Till next time!